Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Easy Video Learning Series from PlentyofTutors.com. In our previous example, we looked at how to add up mixed numbers, and now we're going to take that one step further and talk about how to multiply mixed numbers. So let's have a look at an example. Let's say you wanted to multiply 5 and 1/9 times 3 and 3/4. Well, the first step is the same as when we were adding up mixed numbers. We're going to convert these both into improper fractions. And the way to do that is to take the whole number, multiply by the denominator, add the numerator, and it's all divided by 9. So let's have a look here. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 1 is 46, divided by 9. So 5 and 1/9 is equivalent to 46 over 9. Same thing over here. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 3 is 15, and we have 15 over 4. Now before we go to the next step here, we're actually going to simplify this expression a little bit because there are some numbers that can divide evenly into both the numerators and the denominators. Let's look at 46 and 4 for example. What number can divide into 46 and 4 evenly? The number is 2. So we can divide 46 divided by 2 and get 23, and we can divide 4 by 2 and get 2. And if we look at 9 and 15, what number can divide evenly into 9 and 15? And the answer is 3. So we can divide 9 divided by 3 to get 3, and 15 divided by 3 to get 5. So what we end up with here is 23 over 3 times 5 over 2. At this point, when we were adding up mixed numbers, we had to have a common denominator. You don't need that to multiply mixed numbers. All you simply need to do is multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So let's do that. 23 times 5 is going to be 115, divided by 3 times 2, which is 6. So we get 115 over 6. Now this is the correct answer, but it's also in the form of an improper fraction, and you may want to convert that back into a mixed number. So let's have a look at how you would do that. So we have 115 divided by 6, and like I said previously, there's many ways you can do this, but the way I like to do it is to just simply first take out my calculator and divide it out. 115 divided by 6. And what I get here is 19.1666 repeating. Okay? So what that tells me is I know the answer is going to be 19 and something as a fraction. And the fraction is going to be equal to the 0.16666. So how do we figure out what that fraction is? Well, what I like to do is I like to split this number into two fractions of 6. So first, let's look at what is 19 as a fraction of 6? So what number divided by 6 will equal 19? And to get that, you simply take 19 times 6. And that's going to be 60 plus 54 is going to be 114. Okay, and so that means we know that the answer is 115 divided by 6. And we know that 19 is contributing 114 divided by 6, because these two are equivalent. These are the same thing. Well, if we need 115 divided by 6, and the 19 is already giving us 114 divided by 6, how many more 6's do we need? And the way to get that is to just simply take 115, take away 114, and you get 1. Okay, and you can see that this makes sense. 114 plus 1 is 115 over 6. And that's how you add up fractions. So we know the answer is going to be 19 and 1/6. And the only other thing to do at this point is to just have a look at the fraction 1/6 and see if it's in lowest terms. Is there any number that can divide evenly into 1 and 6 to reduce it into lower terms? And the answer is no, it's not. So 19 and 1/6 is the answer as a mixed number in lowest terms. And that concludes another episode of the Easy Video Learning Series from PlentyofTutors.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.